I show you how to insert landscape pages to your Protate Word document or insert landscape and Protate pages to same Word document. In this video you can see all the different methods you can do that. Sometimes some methods may not be suitable for your document. If some methods don't work for you, you can try other one. The first one is how to insert random landscape page for your already prepared Word document. This is my 5 pages Word document. I need to convert this third page as landscape page. You need to go bottom of the second page content. Place on cursor your end of the content. Select layout, breaks and click next page section break. Then you need to go again bottom of the third page. Place on cursor, then again insert next page section break. Now you insert section breaks on your third page and third page is isolated now from this whole document. Place cursor on your third page, select layout tab, select orientation, insert landscape mode. Now your third page is landscape now. Other all pages are rotate mode. The second method is I want to convert all pages after second page as landscape page. It means third and fourth and fifth page as landscape. Go to your second page end and place on cursor. Go to layout, insert next page section break. Place on cursor on third page, then orientation as landscape. Now you can see after second page all pages go to landscape mode now. The next method is I want to convert third page content as landscape. Select your third page content, select layout, go to page setup, select landscape, then selected text. OK. Now your selected contents go to landscape mode. All of these methods are best for already created Word documents. In last method, you can be used for still creating Word document or a new document. Open your new documents, type on your first page. End of the first page, place on cursor, go layout tab and select page setup, select landscape, apply to this point forward, then click OK. Now you have landscape page. After finish add content to our landscape, again you can go to page setup and click on Protate, then this point forward. Click OK. Then again you add Protate document. After complete your Protate page, again you can go to page setup and insert another landscape page and this point forward, then next landscape page. After complete this page, you need to again Protate page, go to page setup, select Protate, this point forward and OK. Protate page. You can insert Protate and landscape page as you like for your preparing documents. These are the all methods you can add landscape and Protate page on same Word documents.